We really wanted to do a boat project that kind of celebrated the qualities of a boat whilst creating an apartment space. So we really wanted to have a kind of modern aesthetic. The boat house is currently located in the centre of London in a historic dock called St Catherine's Dock. The barge is the largest sized boat you can have and use the UK canal network. The total space in the boat's 40 square metres. We got the boat as kind of carcass. Positioning of windows with the insulation spec and everything was decided by us and built especially for this design. We were keen to creating very generous spaces that made it feel both open plan and it could be closed off. Everything is kept calm and quiet. We wanted to pick up on the arched ceiling of the boat. We decided to use planked Douglas fir, which we thought it was a very beautiful wood. We've done a gentle whitewash to make it even more soft and subtle and less of a feature. We thought really carefully about how the design works to maximise storage. It's not always where you'd expect. For instance, the steps that you use are actually drawers which are released on push catches. So that's very discreet, it's always kept, the surface is very minimal. There's storage underneath the sofas. We didn't want a TV to be on show, so we've discreetly positioned it behind a bifolding door and then it's on a bracket so that it can be viewed from the sofa area. The barge has actually quite a large kitchen. We thought it was really important to try and conceal as much of the kitchen appliances as possible. So with the exception of the hob and the oven, the kitchen appliances, a dishwasher, fridge. There's also pantry, material that we chose to use for both the worktop and the cabinet fronts, which is it's a really unusual product by a company called Smile Products, which takes yoghurt pots and recycles them, and it has a kind of marble quality whilst it being a sustainable product. We wanted to position the bathroom in between the bedroom and the living and kitchen space, create a kind of buffer zone whilst positioning it in a way that enables you to see from one end of the boat to the other. On one side there's a very large shower, and then discreetly locate the toilet and the basin around the corner. The washing machine, which is also under the basin in the bathroom. The bedroom space felt very generous, which accommodate a super king-size bed. We positioned the bed to around the side, which enables you to use the double doors onto the bow. There's also additional storage on the steps, again, that take you from the bedroom onto the bow. It does actually have a full height wardrobe. There's also storage discreetly positioned behind the headboard, which enables storage of thinner, long items like paintings or skis. We've also fitted the barge with solar panels along the top of the barge. There is a super efficient battery, enable you to truly go off-grid. I think living on a barge in the centre of London and in this location has this rich history of canal networks, and it offers an opportunity for a much richer lifestyle, opportunity for living in a different way. It's very serene and secluded whilst being less than 100 metres away from Tower Bridge.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Never Too Small channel by clicking on the logo and the notification bell to receive updates on our latest episode.